Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can normalize audio in Capcut PC. So to do that, add in your audio, and on the right, you can just normalize the loudness here. If you want to change the settings to that, you are going to go to menu, go to settings, and I think it's under the edit one, and it's the target loudness. There's normal, like the standard one, there is YouTube, and there is TikTok. So for instance, you're uploading to YouTube or TikTok, the loudness will be different, like the loudness of it, like the normal one. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's going to adjust it to whatever you choose. For instance, here I'm choosing the YouTube one, and it's going to change when I enable the normalize loudness. It's going to change the target loudness to YouTube. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!